Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Now today we are going to do something in grammar and the topic is noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming words. Initially you used to read it as noun is a name of person, place, animal, thing. But in short, you can use it as naming words. Like anything that you can see, you can feel, you can touch, you can think about is known as nouns. Okay, now like you can see a taxi, you can see sky, you can see clouds. These are nouns. You can feel air around you, you can feel your happiness, you can feel if you are in pain, that is also known as noun. You can think about your surroundings, you can think about your subjects, you can think about what to do next. What you are thinking is also known as noun. Now children, further the nouns are divided into different types. Here we are going to study about three types. First is proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Now proper noun. What is a proper noun? Proper noun is a naming word which is given to a particular person, place or thing. Example, if you take it name of a place like Jammu. Jammu. Now Jammu is what? Proper noun. If you take the name of Golden Temple, this is a place. Again, this is a monument. You can take the name of Red Fort. This is again a monument. So these kinds of words which are single in itself, they are not, you can't find a second copy of these things. They are known as proper noun. Now under proper noun, your name also comes under proper noun. Like my name is Jasmeet, so it is again proper noun, right? Your name is proper noun. Further, what is common noun? Common noun are those nouns which are used for these as a common name. Like if we take Jammu and Golden Temple, we will write it as city. Now city is its common name. Golden Temple, again monument or worship place, whatever you want to take it as, this is also known as monument. Now Red Fort again will be known as monument. So if you take common noun for these two, this is monument. But separately as a proper noun, what is their name? Golden Temple is something different, Red Fort is something different. But commonly what we call it as monument. Now name of a person, now if there is Sita, Geeta, Rita, different names are there. But as a common name, Sita, Rita, Geeta will be known as girl. Ram, Sham will be known as boy, right? But if we take the name separately, then it will be Sita or Rita or whatever. But commonly all the girls will be named as girl. Now if I am Jasmeet, you can call me as common name teacher, right? Teacher is my common name. Your common name is student. What is your common name? Student. Now next, moving on to collective nouns. What are collective nouns? Collective nouns are the naming words of a collection or a group of persons, places or things. When we give a name to a group, when they are sitting or standing together or placed together, they are known as collective nouns. For example, crowd of people. Now here crowd is what? Collective noun. Crowd, whose crowd is it? Of people. So there are 4 people or 5 people sitting together and we will call it as crowd. Bunch of grapes. You must have seen that grapes always come in bunch, not single grape is sold out. They always come in a bunch. So that those grapes which are together hanging on a stem, they are known as bunch. Okay, so bunch of groups. Similarly, flock of sheep. If lots of sheep are wandering around, they combined will be known as flock of sheep. Okay, thank you.